Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Let's talk about Qind versus Ilus and which one, if you had to pick which one to put your money in, which one could get you the most returns. Here is the game plan, guys. Let's think about this for a second. We know Qind and Samo are going to be the first two subsidiaries to uplist to the Nasdaq or higher exchange. Let's just say higher exchange. They're going to go uplist to a higher exchange. We know for a fact that Qind has bottomed out down here under 10 cents. It's at 11 cents right now. Samo broke it out of its trend here. We'll see what happens with that one. But I think Qind is the better play. This thing used to be, remember guys, this thing hit 70, almost 70 cents up here. Almost 70 cents. Now we're down here. There is potential here for more than 5x. It's at 11 cents now. I bought the dip on this dump here. I remember making that video and telling you guys I'm buying the dump. Like, this is a stupid sell-off. I'll take it, thank you. Hopefully no one bought the top. But I bought in and I'm sitting pretty and I'm just gonna hold. So do yourself a favor. If you're not in it, you better get in it as soon as possible because this is just the start. As soon as we break out of this, essentially what's a channel, as soon as we break out of this sideways action, let me switch to the weekly for a much more clear view. As soon as we break out of this range to the upside, we're going to 18, we're going to 19. And then from there, we could go as far as 30. And fast, mind you. And fast. Remember, this thing is volatile. When it gets volume, oh boy, does it go. It can go down just as fast, but it can go up just as fast. Look at this huge move from 19 to 34. And then the next day, another 10 cents on top. So in 2 days, this thing went from 19 43. It's going to move and it's going to move fast and people are going to be like, oh no. You got to have conviction. You can't be afraid. That's why I bought the dip yesterday. And, pat yourself on the back if you bought in on this dump here. Because you're smarter than most. Most people would have been like, oh, I'm not buying that. Some people would have been scared. They would have been like, oh no, what if it goes lower? Oh no. But there was a whole PR that literally just spelled it out for you. No reverse split, reverse merger. There is so much potential in this. Do not sleep on Qind. That is the one to focus in on. Buy Qind. I implore you to buy Qind. If I could stand in front of a webcam and take a shot, I would. But I had a heart attack a year ago and I can't do that anymore, unfortunately. So get in here while it's still cheap. That is the game plan. Buy your Qind, hold it for the big gains. Now, Ilus will uplist after Samuel and Qind. Don't forget that part. Ilus is going to uplist after. So right now, while it's down here under 1-2, I think it's a buy. If you're willing to hold it for a long-term swing, probably hold it for a year. Because we still haven't had the uplist happen for the other two. We still have to wait on that. We don't know how long that's going to take, especially because they don't give timelines. They did say they would get timelines. I look forward to the next couple of PRs from them because if they do start giving timelines, oh boy, if you give people something to anticipate, ooh, people are you're gonna see some buying pressure like this right here. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. I really wish I could just take a shot in celebration. I just can't. I'll probably just play the old video of me taking a shot for Sybil, and then like a week later it dumped because of the CE, which no one could have seen coming. But yeah, maybe I shouldn't take a shot, right? Because maybe that's bad luck. Maybe we go into CE. Maybe I caused the CEs just by taking shots and being too excited. But yeah, I definitely highly recommend getting in here under 1-2 to start accumulating for the next run. It's probably going to take a while. Hey, look, if it runs this month, I won't complain, but I think it's still going to be a while because right now the focus is on the subsidiaries and what's going on with them. So that's the game plan. Buy Qind. Focus on Qind first. Like really buy as much as you can of Qind and just start accumulating some in Ilus if you're not already doing that. And just hold. Don't be scared if it comes down a little bit. I mean, people got scared when Qind fell, and I was like, I'll buy that fear. I bought the fear. I did. because it's right at it's literally at support. It's right at the bottom. Why wouldn't I buy? That's about it. We got one uplist for QAND. We take advantage of that. We take profits, and then we can rotate that money into Ilus. And then when that uplist, we can make a lot of money again. That's the game plan for me. I think that's been the game plan for a while. It's just that they take forever to do anything. They never give timelines. They're always vague with their PRs. Oh yeah, a lot is happening, guys. Shareholder value, maximum shareholder value, blah blah blah. I'm hoping this isn't just another one of those. I'm hoping this wasn't just another PR where they just, get you all hyped up for nothing. And then like a year later, they're like, "Oh well, this happened, and now I mean I know it's taking so long, but now we're finally gonna uplist." And keep in mind you know, their definition of we're gonna uplist soon. Soon they define soon as years. By the way, that seems to be the pattern in their PRs from way back. So that's also another thing to keep in mind. Until they give us concrete timelines, we're pretty much, clueless at that point. And the best thing we can do is load up on these stocks when they're as close to the bottom as possible. That is it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoy these more positive videos. I mean, I'm bullish. Now I'm bullish. Of course you're going to hear me say, yes, buy, buy, buy. Don't buy up here. I know some people bought up here and they're like, oh no, it's gonna jump from here to here and then go higher. No, that's not. I don't think those people were in Ilus back then when it ran. That's what that seems like. Because if you know Ilus, like I know Ilus, you know it's gonna come back down lower. Um, all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.